Hi, my name is Vimala Ramachandran. I am a hand surgeon here at OrthoArizona. I went to medical school at Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland, Ohio, and then I ended up staying there for my residency. After that, I did a hand fellowship at the University of Minnesota, and at that point, I got tired of the snow, and so I decided to come down to Arizona. Well, I've always loved orthopedics because there was something just really great about being able to do hands-on activities to help your patients and see a discernible difference right away, whether it was a total joint replacement or fixing a fracture. And I love the hand because the anatomy is so intricate, the form really follows the function, and you can do all aspects of orthopedics within just a tiny area. And everyone needs their hands, so it's a great way to help people. I like to hike, I like to mountain bike. I'm a fan of the outdoors, so usually I'm outside on the weekends. My husband and I like to off-road as well. And aside from that, we spend a lot of time with our two dogs. I like to think of my communication with patients as a partnership. I'm here to provide them their information and everything they need to make an informed decision, and I will be there 100% of the way with them, but it really is 50-50 in terms of I'm also here to educate and help them make the best decision for themselves.